Hi, let me show you how to use the interpreter on Samsung Galaxy A36. So firstly, we can try to search for this feature in quick settings. And I don't see it here. Let's tap pen icon and edit it. And as you can see, we got only live transcribe, but we need to find interpreter. So to use one, you can just install it from Play Store. So install third-party app. Just go in Play Store, tap on this search bar and enter Google Translate. This is the best option for interpreters, so we are gonna install this one. Now just wait a few seconds till we can open it. And yep, now let's immediately open it. Here, as you can see, we got this great feature conversation. To use it, allow permissions first. So basically, you can say anything you want to, and it will be immediately translated to this language which you set. You can tap it and switch to different language, but you would need to download it first, as you can see. After that, you can tap it and everything will be translated to this language. As you can see, it is now like by sections. So here's Spanish, here Danish. And yep, now you can also tap on this icon and use it like something like a split screen to be able to use the translator in face-to-face conversations, which is also really helpful. If you need to stop talking, just tap this button. Then you can give your phone to other person and he'll be able to use it as well, and you'll be able to see translation in English. Also, you can tap right here and like download it. You can exit this session and use just transcribe feature. So basically you can say anything you want to, then stop, and it will be translated immediately. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.